We went in through the mountains. The visibility was about 3/4 of a mile. That's terrifying enough. We were forced up above cloud just before we reached the Red River and had to fly by our watches to estimate the point at which we should let down. We went back down through the clouds in this very rugged mountainous terrain, broke out at 800 feet over the river with a 3,500-foot mountain just 3/4 of a mile back behind us. That took guts for Phil to follow me. We pressed on into the steel mill at about 20 feet, clicking off about 510 knots. Found the mill. About 12 miles out, they started shooting at us. Both Phil and I were hit a couple of times prior to reaching the target. We popped up to 200 feet to deliver these bombs against the blast furnaces. Got hit again. Successfully bombed and pulled a classic maneuver, which we call get the heck out of there. And started on home. We got back across the Red River and we're going through a valley. It looked very dark up ahead, and I called to the other two members of the flight to pull, meaning pull back, and he was paralleling a steep mountainside no more than 50 feet off the trees, and I glanced over the side of my cockpit and found to my horror that all three of us were paralleling the side of this mountain and just riding right up the edge of it above the treetops. And I think that's probably the most terrifying thing of the whole flight. But we got back on those wonderful tanker guys. They hooked us up. We had very little fuel left and came on back with what we considered a rather spine-tingling but successful mission.